In this short tutorial, we'll show you how to find your Facebook profile link quickly and easily. Your Facebook profile link is a unique URL that directs people straight to your personal Facebook profile. By knowing your profile link, you can easily share it with anyone you want to get started. Open up the Facebook mobile application and then tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on your name at the very top. What you want to do next is tap on these three little dots at the top right corner of the screen and then scroll down to the bottom of the page. Now you'll see your Facebook profile link. To copy your Facebook profile link, simply tap on the copy link button. Over here, now you can share this link with anyone you want. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.